You're managing your site with WordPress, but organizing with Airtable. Neither connects like you need it to, but your work depends on both. At Mesa, you can connect any apps into workflows that simplify how you get stuff done. So your data flows, your updates stay in sync, and your work just happens. For example, when you publish new WordPress content, create detailed records in your Airtable content database. Or, when Airtable records are updated with new content ideas, create WordPress posts for your writers. Or even, update your Airtable media database every time someone adds specific files in WordPress. Mesa has built-in tools to give you complete control. So things happen when they should, how they should, and only if they should. Whatever you need to do between WordPress and Airtable, make it happen with Mesa. Get started today for free.